Hello guys and welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit about eBay and eBay selling, and in particularly right now I want to talk about eBay and PayPal fee calculator. So this is actually a pretty recent type of information for 2020. As you could see, this is an eBay fee calculator. So if you're planning on selling like on eBay and stuff, and you're probably going to thrift stores and you buying items or maybe buying items at auctions, this will take into consideration the shipping price and the list price that you're going to be selling for, and the actual shipping cost and the item cost, and it's going to give you the final price at the end. So let's say you actually go to a thrift store, you pick up a shirt for $2.99, and let's say you sold it for $20 on eBay, and you charge the customer $5.99 for shipping, but it probably end up costing you $7 to ship the item. Here's what your profit would be: $12.35. Still very, very good, because you spent $2.99 and you just made $12.35. So you could actually play around with this and calculate like different things. Let's say the shipping did not cost you that much, maybe it just cost you $5, so it immediately updates. Now you could actually see it only cost you actually made $14.35. Now I've seen some people sell polo shirts for a lot more than that. Let's say for instance $35. You don't have to put the zeros. Immediately you could see profits of $27.41. Now I don't know about you guys, but investing basically $2.99 in a product and actually getting like what this is like about 8 times your money initially that you actually invested in the item, roughly 8, 9. I'm really not doing exact math because it's actually not my intention, but usually people are really happy if they invest $1 and they sold it for $2. They just made pretty much like 100% profit, and that's actually really good. So it's even better if you could just buy something for $2.99 and sell it for a lot more than that. This is just making a really, really quick example. But I think it's actually really important to find out fees very quickly, because now it's actually getting much easier when it comes to actually determine the actual shipping price. When you're actually listing items on eBay, it's actually, if you're using like an iPhone or something like I am, or an Android, you could also use a computer, but this is a really modern age, and I think you should actually maximize your time by actually using your phone to actually research the items and actually use it to list items and use it basically to do the whole thing. And that's actually what I'm going to be doing. And if you guys are interested in that, please subscribe to my channel and hit a like, on this video. And if you have any questions, or if you want to actually tell me what you want to see more of, let me know. That way I could actually include it in my future videos. Now, I'm going to tell you this. If you're going to be listing an item for like, from your phone, using like an eBay app, you could actually choose what kind of shipping you want to charge and how much you want to charge for that shipping. So depending on what service you actually provide, if you're using like FedEx or UPS or United States Postal Service, you could actually input the actual dimensions of the item and the actual weight. And the way you would actually find out the weight of your item is you need some shipping scales. Don't be using like a regular bathroom type of scale that you weigh yourself. That's not going to be correct. Definitely get yourself some shipping scales. If you're looking for one that's actually really cheap but works really good, that's what everybody uses, I'm going to put a link in the description below in my video. And I'm also going to put a link in the description below for the eBay fee calculator and with everything like that. But that's the really cool thing is, let's say you're in a thrift store and you're looking for some kind of item, and maybe you already sold the item before. Let's say it's like a polo shirt, and it weighs like less than a pound. You already know maybe it's going to cost you $5.99 to ship, or $5 to ship it. So you already know that. So you would really you could look up what previously sold on eBay from previous sales, and you could see if that particular shirt sells. So if you could see it selling for $20, $30 or $50, and it's only $2.99, then you could actually pick up and make some money, and that's actually really cool. And I'm going to be showing you guys, some of this type of stuff. This is just a really quick video I wanted to make, just talking about the fee calculators, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are interested in that. And nowadays with technology, this is pretty much all in the palm of our hand. So I think it's pretty good information. Also about eBay stores, and if it's worth opening one up, I'm going to make a video about that as well. But very quickly, I do want to tell you, if you don't have an eBay store already, well, if you create an account, eBay usually will give you 50 free item listings per month. That's what I've been pretty much getting without having no store. So I think if you're gonna list 50 items and you're gonna list between 30 and 50 items, having a store probably not gonna be like a good idea for you. But if you're gonna list more than that, there's a regular basic store that just costs like $20 per month. Then it actually makes a little bit more sense, because you could actually list 250 free items with that store and lots of other benefits as well. So I'm definitely going to cover that in a future video. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and God bless you. Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.